name is Lila.
Yes.
Just call me by the name Little Nelly.
Little Nelly. We could do that, right?
Because I'm Nelly's daughter.
Yes, she is. So hi guys, I'm Nelly and this is my daughter Lila, and today we're gonna be cooking
Merry Christmas to everyone watching this video, everybody in the world.
Yes. Woohoo. Okay guys, so today we're gonna be making curry fish with coconut milk in it. Alright, it's gonna be so good. Alright, if you love curry, if you like fish, you can follow this recipe. So let's get started.
I'm just gonna say, is it filming?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're going to peel the garlic skin. Don't drop the garlic like I did, because I'm clumsy. Don't judge me because my phobia is knife. Yeah.
Your phobia?
Yeah.
Alright you guys, so back here is our fish.
Yeah.
So today we're using flounder fish, okay? This is what I'm using today. Flounder fish right here. So I'm gonna start by cutting up my veggies. So I have half of a green pepper. What's this?
Onion.
I'm gonna use half of the onion. I have a little piece here that I'm gonna use also. I'm using 3 cloves of a garlic and then some potatoes. So for the potatoes, I'm using mini small potatoes, and I'm just gonna cut it up in about half or so. And yeah, you can use regular like Idaho potatoes. I can just cut it up into quarters or so. All right, the smaller you cut it, the easier it'll cook.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do the cutting part because
Right now what I'm holding is flounder fish right now. I'm gonna put that down because that's disgusting.
okay, so we're gonna start cooking our fish. So
Yeah.
I got my frying pan right here, and in the pan we're gonna add some oil. I'm using coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil because coconut oil is gonna add more of that delicious coconut flavor in the fish.
Yep.
So add in your oil. If you don't have coconut oil, just use regular canola or vegetable oil. That is fine.
Yeah. For it to cook, we really need to cook.
Next we're gonna add curry powder, turmeric powder. You're gonna start by adding a little bit of turmeric in the pot. So go ahead, Lila.
This?
No, this is turmeric. So add about a teaspoon of turmeric powder. There you go. There you go.
And that's all you need.
So I'm adding in about a tablespoon of curry powder. I'm using cheese curry powder.
Those two. But probably we're gonna have to add more.
And you want to mix the curry powder and the turmeric with the oil, and I'm gonna let that cook for about 2 minutes. But while it's cooking, we're gonna add in our veggies. So we're gonna add in the onion, the garlic, the peppers, and the potatoes.
And it's gonna taste perfect. We're gonna add all of it in.
Yeah.
I don't want to be roasted veggies. I don't want to be them.
You want to be what?
Roasted veggies.
How you want to be roasted veggies?
And my hand is over it. I don't want to be roasted.
Don't smell good.
Yeah.
It smells delicious.
Then we're gonna add the fish and we're gonna mix that bad boy up.
Cook the veggies.
Alright.
So I'm gonna let this cook with the curry for about 2 minutes, and then we'll add in some water.
Yeah.
So mix the veggies with the curry powder in the pot. Mix. Yeah, mix.
Because we have to mix the flavor all together to make it so delicious. This is gonna be your favorite recipe, everybody.
You tell them, girl. You tell them.
All of the recipes that my mom made, this is gonna be your favorite.
Period.
If you're from Grenada, because probably they eat curry there too. Not only fresh meat that you hunt down.
What are you trying to say about Grenada?
I'm trying to say that they eat curry too, right?
Yeah.
They all eat curry.
Exactly.
Cook. Cookity cook. Mr. Fishy. I would like
You missed the fishy alone. We have seasoned Mr. Fishy just now. Alright guys, so now we're adding in some water.
Then water with, because you have to pour water into your coconut curry.
So it can boil and cook, so the potatoes can cook. You just want to add enough water for the potatoes to fully cook.
Oh wow, that's getting curry alright.
And I'm going to add some salt to give the veggies flavor while they cook as well. So now we're adding in some black pepper all over.
It.
And then I'm going to add in some onion powder and garlic powder. So come on.
And
because we got to give our sauce flavor, right?
Yeah. Because if it doesn't have flavor, then it's going to be tasting just
bland,
spicy and bland. I'm mixing it a little bit.
Garlic powder.
And then we mix it up. And then we mix it up. And then we mix it up. It smells great.
So too.
It smells like aroma that.
Time to season that fish. You can use any type of fish you want. You don't have to use flounder. You can use your favorite type of fish. A little bit of curry powder, not much. Just a little bit. And then some black pepper.
Yeah.
There you go. Add some black pepper. Some salt. And then some garlic powder. You can add this.
Okay.
And make sure you season both sides of the fish. Rub it in, rub it. Add some paprika, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of chili powder. Okay. Alright, and now I'm going to flip it and do the other side. So I'm just rubbing it, making sure the other side gets some of the
flavor.
seasonings. Yes, ma'am.
I hope you guys don't.
Now it's just perfectly seasoned.
You done yet? You done yet, potatoes? So we're about to test you.
It's been about what, like 10-15 minutes, okay? And the potatoes
Are
soft. See?
Yep.
My knife cut right through it. So now we're gonna add in so I'm just gonna take my pieces of flounder and I'm gonna place it in there. If you want, you could cut the fish in half, make it smaller, but I'm not going to do that. Go ahead, Lila. Don't touch the pot. Drop it on softly. And there we go. And I'm just gonna pour the sauce on top of the fish. Just be tender with be gentle with the fish, cause it's fish. It's gonna
break.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna add in our coconut milk. Remember?
Oh yeah.
All right. So let's add in the coconut milk, y'all.
All right. Here comes the coconut curry.
Yep.
Now it's coconut curry, right?
Indeed. And I'm gonna give that a mix. Mix the coconut milk in with the dish. Yeah. I'm gonna let it come to a boil one more time and let the fish cook. All right. So now I'm gonna add in some capers.
What's this cap?
Add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it.
It smells kind of like capers now.
It smells like capers now?
Yeah, it smells kind of like capers.
Okay, so now I'm gonna let that cook until the fish is fully cooked. Okay, you guys, so it's been about 10 minutes, not long at all, and my fish is fully cooked. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off my pot. As you can see, it's fully cooked. So yeah, you want it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that should do the trick, you guys. So taste it, make sure it has enough sauce, enough seasoning, and that is it, guys. We're finished making our curry coconut fish. So one thing I would say, if you guys would like to thicken up the sauce some, what you can do is mash up some of the potatoes. That'll thicken up the sauce, okay? And you could also turn your heat up very high, and that'll thicken it up some. Okay?
This soup is so good. The coconut curry is good. It's great.
So how is it, Lila?
Good.
Okay, and you guys, here is the finished plate. Fork for you and fork for me. Let's taste.
I already tasted it.
Mmm. Delicious, right?
Yeah.
Yum. Mm.
Bye,
Alright,
guys.
so bye guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe and the video. If you did, leave a comment down below for us.
Yep.
And also like this video
Subscribe
and subscribe to our channel.
and share it.
Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Everybody have a great day.
Yes.
This is great.
It was delicious.